All right, guys, update on my RAV4 2001 all-wheel drive, guys, all-wheel drive. I am loving this vehicle. It's got a super strong engine, guys. This thing's like a freaking tank. No check engine lights. One thing that did happen is I did get the airbag light. I'm thinking the switch underneath the seat probably needs to be disconnected and reconnected, or I need to reset it with an OBD2. See if there's really an issue with it. Otherwise, I'm loving it. Okay, so check it out. It needs a serious wash. Like, I have not washed it in a year. Probably need to put a power washer to it or something, but I am loving it. Things that go wrong with these cars once they get over 200,000 miles: wheel bearings. Okay, you got to get your wheel bearings done. Okay, I probably need to do at least one more wheel bearing on this vehicle. I've done two already. What else? Muffler, valve gasket. That's easy to do, thankfully. Okay, so the valve gasket's easy to do on these. Spark plug changes are super easy to do. Transmission, oh man, it's a cake. I love these because maintaining them is super easy. If you look at my black RAV4, it's a 2002, I go over all the things you need to know about it, and take a look at that because I point out where all the maintenance items are, you know, including the transmission bolt, drain plug, fill plug, things like that. What I've done to this so far is I did have to put in a valve gasket. That was easy. Some muffler repairs on it because it's, you know, it's ancient. Brakes are still pretty good when I bought it, so I'm leaving them that way. I've done one wheel bearing on this, and I need to still do one more wheel bearing on it. But otherwise, it's an all-wheel drive. Make sure you service the differential. Put in some really thick gear oil, guys. Okay, put in the thicker gear oil. Make sure you're staying on top of that as well. Oil, I recommend at least 1030, 5W30 at least. Maybe I've gone as high as 1040 on these older engines. So be mindful of how you take care of it. Give it a thumbs up, guys.